And look, my dad used to say that ideology is a mechanism that harmonizes the principles that you want to believe you hold and what advances your material interests. And the ideology is a mechanism that harmonizes the principles that you want to believe you hold and what advances your material interests. And the ideology is a mechanism that harmonizes the principles that you want to believe you hold and what advances your material interests. Ideology is a mechanism that harmonizes the principles that you want to believe you hold and what advances your material interests. And the ideology is a mechanism that harmonizes the principles that you want to believe you hold and what advances your material interests. So the centrist Democratic elites now are convinced that the issue is who's electable, right? I mean, and they contend that Bernie couldn't win when there's no one else in this race who's actually appealing to popular concerns among working people, and no one else gets the response that he gets. And so I guess the hidden cause, and they probably hide it from themselves, is that he couldn't win, couldn't win a Wall Street presidency, right? But the beauty of it is that since 1865, and especially 1965, the rest of us get to vote too.
Very well said.
All right, thanks, sir.
Great to have you.
Well, it's my pleasure to watch you guys all the time.
Thank you.
Ideology is a mechanism that harmonizes the principles that you want to believe you hold and what advances your material interests.